Hi guys, my name is Bet. Happy Wednesday, and let's continue our technical analysis for swing trading. Okay, let's start with the USD index chart, and we have the market consistently behaving above the blue moving average line. So that means overall trend is up. USD is strong overall. So at some point market has retraced into a good zone already here, and at some point it should retrace a little bit and go up and return into original trend. So let's write it down. So we have USD index trend is up, and our decision is to look for opportunities to buy USD, right? So now let's go through each individual Forex pair. So here we have USD Japan Yen. So as I have pointed out last several weeks, the market is oscillating back and forth the blue moving average line, right? So this is the indication of the sideways action, and there's no actual trend in USD Japan Yen, but it looks like it's going up a little bit, right? But that's a trick, guys. When market is doing this sideways, it can do a chainsaw action. It can easily go like this, then return into up, then return into down, and it's a trap. So when market is not doing trend movement, just stay out of this. So let's write it down. USD Japan Yen is doing this sideways action, so we will not trade Japan Yen. Okay, USD Canada dollar loonie, again the same story. The market is oscillating back and forth the blue moving average line. So market is doing the sideways action, and there's no opportunity to trade. So market will get out of the sideways action if it's consistently demonstrate if it consistently behaves above or below the moving average line for the at least twice the longest period of oscillation. So here if the market continues to behave above the blue moving average line at least June 28, then it will consider it the clear indication of uptrend, and it will get out of the sideways the pattern. So until that, it's considered market is doing the sideways action, and we will not trade loonie. Okay, let's write it down here. USD Schweizer franc. Here the lot of candles below the blue moving average line, lot of candles above the blue moving average line, and also a lot of candles below the moving average line. So it looks like a market is oscillating back and forth like this, and again at this point it's considered doing the sideways action, and we will not trade until there is a clear indication of trend the movement. So let's write it down. USD Schweizer franc, market is doing sideways, and we will not trade. Okay, pound USD. So here we have more than 10 candles below the blue moving average line, but the size of this breakthrough is not that big. Then market has returned into original trend, then market reversed it down. So it's most likely a trend reversal like this, but there's also another possibility of back and forth oscillation like this. So if you're not certain about the trend movement, even if there is a small possibility of sideways action, so there's no point taking additional risk. So it's always better to pick a pair that you feel most confident. So for that reason, I'm not trading on pound USD. So if the market consistently behaves below the moving average line for the few more days, then I will be sure that trend is down in pound USD and I'll be able to trade. Until that, let's just be safe and let's just read it as market is doing the sideways action, back and forth, and let's not trade pound USD. So pound USD, it's likely the downtrend, but let's not take a unnecessary risk and let's read it as a sideways action. That means we will not trade pound USD. Okay, Euro USD. So here, as of today, Euro USD looks looks best, and trend is very clear in the Euro USD. Here we have nice down leg, market retraced, faked out a little bit, original downtrend movement, then market has retraced into a good zone here, and here right now it looks market is retraced into a good zone. Right now it looks really good to sell Euro USD. So if you sell Euro USD, put your stop loss above the local maximum here and set your take profit at the Fibonacci extension 1.618 at the price 1.055. So that would be my take profit. But if you guys have followed my my analysis, and I have already entered around this zone, risk in 0.7% in total, and I also have some entry around this support zone, and which is still a very good zone. In total, I'm risking 0.7% of my account. So at this point, I just have to keep my positions and my stop losses here, and my take profit is at the Fibonacci extension 1.618 here. So at this point, all I have to do is wait, and market could retrace a little bit like this, and it should return into original trend soon. So here, let's write it down. Euro USD trend is down. I bought USD against the euro in a really good zone, risking a total of 0.7%. So let's say tomorrow stop loss happens and trend reversal happen. At this point, I will not panic. I will take the stop loss as calculated, and I will position myself to sell USD. If it doesn't hit the stop loss, and let's just say market keep retracing, will keep retracing like this without hitting the stop loss. So at this point, the market will consider it the sideways action. I will exit the market also. If the market demonstrates extended amount of retracement above the blue moving average line. And the last possible scenario is that market will retrace a little bit, and it should return into original trend. Then at this point, I will let my profit accumulate until the take profit, and eventually it should hit take profit. So at this point, the market could demonstrate those three behaviors, and I'm ready for all possible scenarios. So whatever happens tomorrow, I will not panic because everything is calculated. So that is a risk management I want you guys to have, and always be ready for whatever happens in the future. Okay, Aussie. So for Aussie, we have back and forth. You see down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Possibly market could behave like this, and back and forth oscillating action. Either it's an up or down. Market is not behaving consistently above or below the blue moving average line, right? So again, it's the indication of the sideways action, and there's no actual trend in Aussie, so we will not trade Aussie. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD. So here again we have some consistent down candles below the blue moving average line and up. Market really didn't go up, then market went down and consistently behaved below the moving average line. So it's most likely a back and forth oscillating action, and market is doing the sideways. So we will not trade New Zealand dollar USD until there is a clear proof of trend behavior. Okay, so what do we see now overall? So overall USD is definitely strong. I'm confident on this, and Euro USD is the only pair that supports the USD index story. And for Euro USD, I entered the good sell positions in a really good zone, risking a total of 0.7% of my account, which is about the 1/10 of what I can afford. Okay, so tomorrow, whatever happens, there are 3 possible scenarios, and I am calculated and ready for all these 3 scenarios. Alright guys, thank you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday.